Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back today with a haul from Dollar Tree. There are two different hauls here. I'm just going to throw them together really quickly. And then I'm going to pack them down in my bag. So, okay. So, fall is coming. So, we have a lot of good, like, fall picks. I have these, and then I have the smaller ones. I'll pull that in a minute. But first, let me get this all the way. So, this is a shower rack. I bought two. I bought the zip ties, and we're going to have a project coming up with this, so I'm super excited. I'm going to put that away. And then I also have lots of pretty fall things I found. So, fall leaves, you can't beat Dollar Tree for that. There's 50, and there's some that are gold, you know, with a lot of gold, and then some that have a light sheen. So I thought that would be pretty. And then I also picked up one of these really cute white pumpkins. And I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I may do a project with this, or I may just leave it as is. I'm not sure. I've looked at a couple of things. I really like it as is. I like the simplicity of it, but still thinking on that. And the reason I picked up all this, we were going to have an engagement party for our daughter that's getting married in October. With all that's going on in the estate and tax work and everything, we're going to bump that back to the spring. So, but I love fall and I love decorating, so it all still works. So I also, let me move that out of the way, I picked up some pretty ribbon, and I love this one because it says give thanks and gratitude and family and blessings, and so I love this, and I believe it is it wire? I don't think it is. It's not wire ribbon, so, but that's okay. It's really pretty. I'll have a project for that. I picked this up because I thought this was really cute. I think it's going to be a stocking stuffer, but I'm not sure yet. I may use it in a project. So I've got that. And of course, we all need sequins, and Dollar Tree's $1, so grabbed those, and those really look rose gold to me. I also picked up, they have fall lights that are leaves, so that'll be pretty. Here's my other, this is really pretty. It's glittered, and it's pumpkins on like a sheer orange or burnt orange, so it's really pretty. I think that'll be really pretty. So those are my two ribbons. Again, $1 a piece. You can't beat it. So, hold on one sec. Alrighty, I also picked up a cute little owl bucket, or little can, and I'm not sure what I'm going to use this with, but I think I'm going to do some kind of a floral arrangement or something with it. So, and he's kind of, you know, he may need a little help here and there, but he's still cute. So, alright, let me get this all out of the way, and I will bring in the next set. I also picked up things like plastic spoons and forks, and, you know, because we're going to be traveling, but that's nothing major. I also picked up the floral moss. If you guys ever price out Spanish, they have Spanish moss and floral moss, and if you do any of the little, like, miniatures, this stuff can get really expensive, and for it to be $1, this is a ton of floral moss. Like, I could use this for the next X amount of years, so this is a really good deal. And I'm going to be doing, I do a Christmas one, and I'm going to do one for the fall as well with the little miniatures. I love those. I also picked up, so this is a 10, these are really neat words, and the words are thankful, harvest, welcome. So, if you make a wreath, you know, welcome harvest, thankful, you know, whatever you want to put on that wreath. I really like these, and I think I'm going to look for a couple of projects to do that with. And then here are the smaller, these are 10 of these of the little glittered pumpkin picks. These will be fun to use. And then I'm going to do this now so I can pack it away in the bag. I bought this. It's Welcome to Our Pumpkin Patch. I thought this was so cute, but in the box it came off, which is not a big deal. You can just glue it. But I've seen people take these apart and do different projects. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, because this would even be good, like Welcome to Our Patch, and you put it on a wreath. You could take it off the stick. But I'm not sure yet. And I kind of regret that I didn't put it right in the ground. But I think when the gal packed it is when this happened. But that's okay. I mean, this is, like I said, it's $1, and it's just, they had stapled it, and it just, you know, didn't get in there good. So I will repair this, and we will have that fixed too, to decorate. Now, in in Austin, Texas, they don't like to use plastic bags or anything like that. So I ran in and they were out of bags because sometimes they give you paper bags. So I just grabbed a little basket because I need this for my car anyway. So for $1, it works. Now, you're going to look at this and say, what in the world are you doing? So I picked up one, and this one has the acorns. And then two. This one has kind of like the faux squash and, you know, okay, they're not the same size, you know, they're different in sizes. And then another one with more darker leaves of these garlands with the little, you know, squash. And then I picked up one of these that has the pumpkins. And then one of these that is just the little, you know, berries. And then one more of the little squash. The reason I picked these up, they're $1. And I have some ideas on some gifts I want to do for the fall. I really thought we were doing a fall engagement party. I couldn't imagine that we would need these, but instead I'm going to use them for gift giving. So I'm not going to worry about it. These are just going to be in current projects I'll be making for fall. And I always pick these up because if I see them, when you buy these embellishments, they're just stickers for scrapbooking, mixed media, album making, card making. They're a fortune, and you get, you know, 117 and it's $1. I also picked up this because I need to organize some clothing in my bedroom. It's 2 for $1. These are not the most sturdy, but even like when you're packing to go on a trip, these are great to use to organize in a suitcase or in a box. I mean, they're 2 for $1. And they hold quite a bit. And, you know, we years ago when we went to China for the first time, we packed everything in Ziploc bags because we knew that they would look at our suitcases. So I don't buy all the expensive items that like Container Store sells, and you know, and those are great systems. But for me, if they were to tear or rip, this is 2 for $1, or I buy the 2.5 gallon Ziploc bags and I use them twice and toss them, you know, and it's not exactly environmentally friendly, but it does do a great job for this. So alright, so I had some other goodies here I'm going to do for my youngest. And then some other goodies for our trip that we're going to be driving out to the Southwest soon. So, and then I also picked up some of these goodies. Again, you can't beat it. You know, they're $1. You get 315 rhinestones for $1. Oops, one more of those, and I got pink. So pink, gold, silver, you can't miss that. I also picked these up for Christmas projects, and these are $1, and these were in the gift wrap section. And yes, I have all kinds of dies that will make these, but sometimes when you're in a pinch and you're in a hurry, these are great things to just have on hand and pull and use. So, and then last, more of the plastic silverware, and that's it. So it's some unusual things, but really good things, you know, for different things in our lives right now. And Dollar Tree has just come out with all their neat fall stuff. So if you haven't gone over there yet, I would encourage you to go over and take a look at all their goodies. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, Dollar Tree, everything's $1, super easy peasy. And when I'm in the big city, I'll try to go to the bigger ones because our little one, you know, it's pretty picked over pretty quickly. So that's why I have 2 different hauls put together. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would so appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you be a part of this channel. We'd love to encourage you with thrifty purchases, thrifty projects. You know, I've got a whole bunch of stuff I'm working on for the turn of the year. I'm super excited. I'm going to spend the rest of this year going and finishing out the estate. And once that's pretty much done, God willing, then I'm hoping things are going to slow down for me, and we're just going to get real crafty for the wedding and all that kind of fun stuff, and the engagement party and the bridal luncheon, and I just can't wait to work with you guys on all that and share with you what I'm doing. So kind of we're in the acquisition mode right now, just trying to get everything we need in place, and then, you know, organized, and, you know, all of that. So we're getting there. It's a process for sure. So, but I hope this encourages you. I'm going to now pack all this up and start on my planning for this next week. So y'all come on back. I can't wait to be talking to y'all soon, and I thank you so much for stopping by. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.